Hello guys, and welcome in this quick demonstration of the project I'm currently working on. This is supposed to be a tree. I mean, it's the beginning of a tree, at least the trunk only, I guess. So the idea is I want to be able to generate any kind of trees procedurally. So I have been looking at how you can achieve that, and I found a few interesting papers. This one is the one I'm currently focusing on, and yeah, as I said, I currently have only the trunk for the moment, and I'm planning to add the other branches and everything you need to make it look like a tree. But for the time being, it's already pretty interesting because I have the control on some of the settings here for the tree. So we can, for instance, manipulate the complete scale, and this is going to make the tree bigger or smaller, obviously. And you have the notion of random variation when you're doing the generation for a specific tree. So that's what is meant here with the V. And you can control the size. Yeah, that's the size of the trunk, I guess, relative to the complete length or the complete scale of your tree if you want. So you can make this bigger or smaller, and at the top, oops, sorry, it's still going to be reduced to a single point, so radius of 0. Okay, this one is not used yet because this is for the sub branches. Will come later. You can also, yeah, currently I have only 5 faces for this cylinder shape if you want, and you can increase this number here, so you can bump this to 20 for instance, or you could even reduce that to only 3 for triangle shape. Alright, and the funny part is when you start manipulating the curvature angle here. So only focusing on the first level here, we can make this banding on one side. I can also make this bend on the other side, but with IM GUI I need to move the... Oh, that's... okay, I just discovered a bug. I'll need to fix that somehow. Okay. Yeah, what else? The curve back is going to curve the branch in the opposite direction at some point. Okay, and you can increase or decrease the random variation. And if you reduce the number of... well, it's not perfect yet, there's still a lot to improve, of course. I was hoping to see some more aggressive effect. How can I make it more aggressive? Not quite sure. Oh yeah, the number of segments, that's the reason why. Currently it's only 3, so you have 1, 2, 3, and you can increase that. Okay, that's why. So yeah, so that's an example of what you can do. We can also interact properly with the lighting. So to hit against this sun latitude and longitude coordinates, and you can rotate the sun. So in the shader we're actually computing the normals for the points properly, and so on. And yeah, basically this is it for the moment. Next step is going to add the support for the sub branches, and I'll make another recording at that point. So see you next time. Bye bye.